In a small village nestled amidst the rolling hills and lush greenery of India, there lived a young boy named Mohan. Mohan was a bright and inquisitive child, but he often struggled with self-belief. "I'm not as smart as the other kids. I'll never amount to anything," he would think to himself. These doubts held him back, making him afraid to try new things and give up easily when faced with challenges. One day, while walking through the village, Mohan encountered a wise old man sitting under a tree. The old man had a kind and gentle face, and his eyes sparkled with wisdom. Mohan approached him and said, "Sir, I'm troubled by something. I don't believe in myself." "Why is that, young boy?" the old man asked. "I'm afraid of failure. I'm afraid of what others will think of me," Mohan replied. "Fear is a natural part of life, but it should not control us," the old man said. "The only way to overcome fear is to face it head-on." The wise old man's words resonated with Mohan. He realized that he had been letting his fear hold him back. Deciding to take the old man's advice, he resolved to face his fears. Mohan began to practice for the village's annual race, training hard and refusing to give up, even when he felt like quitting. On the day of the race, Mohan lined up with the other children. He was nervous but determined to give it his all. When the race began, Mohan ran with all his might and emerged as the winner. This victory sparked a new belief in himself and his capabilities. From that day on, Mohan started believing in himself and worked hard to achieve his goals. The message is clear: believe in yourself and keep working hard, and one day, you will achieve your dreams.